I got here a 2011 Toyota Camry. The customer complaint is the blower motor doesn't work. They replaced the blower motor and it still doesn't work. I don't know if they did any more testing than that, but the key's on. Shut the door to get rid of the dinger and turn the blower on, and nothing doing. Alright, so let me just look at a diagram and see how this thing's laid out. Heating and air conditioning. It is a manual AC circuit. That blower motor is right here behind right side of dash. There's a heater fuse that gives power constantly. Then there's a ground constant, and then there's this red wire over here from the blower, which I guess is a signal wire that tells the blower motor when to turn on or off. So let's go check if there's power at the blower motor. Alright, the cover's already off. Oh wait, it's not plugged in. Okay, so they already pulled this out for us, but that's why I wasn't turning on before. So let me just make sure that we have power and ground. Alright, we should have a constant power and ground, so I'm just going to probe these two wires. They're from probing, but these are really thin needles. I'm not going to spread anything. And we're missing a power and ground. So which one we're missing? So I don't even know which one's which. I'm assuming on white Toyota, black and white is usually ground. So if this is a power, let's just ground our test light. Here, I'll just use a regular test light. Connect it to the door jamb. And we should have a power. And we don't. Okay, so we're missing our power. So power comes from a 50 amp fuse, a heater fuse, engine room, left side of engine compartment. Go check there. Alright, let me just check here. It is the, what's it called? Heater fuse. So it's the first 50 amp right there. Someone's been playing around with it. It's blown. Okay. That's it. It's blown right there. And yeah, that fuse is blown. This has to be replaced. It's a little bit of a pain in the neck. The question is, should I just verify if the old one was bad? Because they're going to want to know if they could put the old one back in. And that's very possibly what blew the fuse. So is this the original one? Then so, yeah, it's supposed to be the original one. So we need to give power and ground to that. It was actually a good time. This is where I would use the power probe hook. It has you have up to a 65 amp circuit breaker in it. Alright, so we're going to have to give it a, this is the ground. And I don't know where my probe is. Right there we got, let's see, ohms. So that's Let's put on a 50 amp circuit breaker. Select. And it tripped the circuit breaker instantly. So this thing is purely shorted. See that? So this motor was purely shorted, so it actually needed a new motor. And that's it. It needs a fuse and the blow motor, which is in. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, I just want to check this to make sure my power probe is correct. So I have your power supply. Turn it on. So I'm gonna give right here, I'm gonna give power. Now this is supposed to be constant without it staying on the whole time. Instantly, if you look at the thing, it's flickering in the camera, but it's giving 10 amps, it's max current, and it lowers the voltage to handle it. But yeah, this one's clearly shorted. So that's it. I'm not gonna be here when they put the fuse in. So I just wanted to verify it over here. Alright, thanks for watching.